Okay, Peter, we're going to do reverse hypers. So let's just go through a couple of safety checks. When you do this, and if it affects your breathing, because you're going to be on top of the ball, you stop. When we raise our legs, it never goes higher than our hips. Does that sound good?
Yep, sounds good.
All right, my friend, let's set up. I'll walk you through it. You're going to raise your legs so they are parallel to the floor. It's 3, 2, 1 coming down. Smell the roses, blow out the candles as you raise your legs. Exhale. Smell the roses, blow out the candles. That's 4 range. We will do 5. I see you breathing. 3. At any times you can adjust your torso over the ball. Exhale. 4. And where you should never feel this is your lower back. 5. Success. Come out of that position. How's everything feel?
Great. Fantastic.
Awesome. Thank you.